Ebusia Mzbel abe Exposes Sonnie Badu big time. Enim Gracia Power to say enyasem ketwa kwate say Mzbel atonebo anu abe expose ni ye. Aha let's talk ghtrends and then first time up pizza video Mr. say obe subscribe ama me no click notification bell for latest updates. No follow Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends na share video we ama for frabe share comment bi answer will be meja or comment section or ede ama me. Ebusia few days ago na Mzbel ko grantee interview concerning eye Counselor Charlotte Oduro na wari ho nsem no na oguso a wokasa na no kobo nipa ba kudinya yes Sonnie Badu a wo kire say obeba be exposing at the right time. It is na Ghana for ye ready any amanfo frɛ say da ben no beba ena Mzbel aba wa be expose Sonnie Badu big time kire say we de eyanim guase pa o
Sonnie Badu aye oden
buy more de make $300.
oh David Sonnie Badu
Buy ma or de make $300.
oh David enya no
ain't na me
say that wo kese wanka David na
say obi a o pese o hu ne buy a Sonnie Badu de make $300 ni nipa ko no fa me $300 bra ma and I don't want anybody coming to tell me say aden na ya money mon friend nipa na mo de bet na social media na mo kana blah blah ma asema me ken it is almost 9 years. I've been patient 1 year, I've been patient 2 years, I've been patient 3 years, I've been patient 4 years, I've been patient 5 years, I've been patient 6 years, I've been patient 7 years. Yebera 8 years. I have been patient, my own money. Made me visa card, bibi man. Ain't no offer me $300 in mammy, na mama me chirechim. The medical to ya, the medical to ya. People always
and now about restaurant
by month, people always wonder why I mean I saw for me, I'm a spiritual person. I saw for now who am no more preachy de biano, Brayma. Do one eye, their third eyes are open and they are manipulating the people. They know the truth. Do one eye to be no more, the Brayma, they don't know anything. They are just smart businessmen who knows how to manipulate energy. I'm not going to be no more. These people are the ones that comes to me. I'm going to be down for. Debbie, yes, dear, you're born come they debate me, they want to take me to the Lord, and then eventually we become friends. So many will say, and yes, when you be doing quani so for a minute down for, and I'm in a yard down for. Any or more what is my bomb with plenty. But me barbons and I make me barbons in me can't be awesome. So when we say my barbons, I can't be awesome. And I just say, I have been patient. I have tried everything. I have been humble. And it's not working.
Sonnie Badu auto ordain.
Right, mama say, me di me sika, me card, bibi man. He was supposed to pay me. He has overlooked it. A woman am reminding no. Now say ya reminding no. Me mami wuye, me reminding no. Me reminding no. But who can be also betia? No, the aya grow. No, I'm brushing off. For me, I'm not asking for 320. I'm not asking for 301. I don't even want more. All I want is my $300. And I'm missing me bibi man. ATM card.
bibi
man. And when I met me, I can say, oh, $300. I'll give you the juice.
It is I may meet you out 300. I'll be
catch you. Me $300. And to one office orders on the Badua, own per se. On one person obey. I'm fun with me. I already did roughy. Wow, person would see the idea. Oh, to meet the me $300. Mammy, and one.
Oh, na, you are down for. Obia or you are down for the channel. Oh, the channel.
Me fan channel. Bright, my mate media channel.
Oh,
mates media channel. But Nippon said, and I say, person here for shaggy reason. I said,
no, $300 and you sika.
Brahima, and Yamisika. Chris, I done become $300. But I want my $300. If he gives me $350, I mean, or charge me $1,000, I want my $300. I don't want more, I don't want less. And so I will be no the mammy make actual. It's as simple as that. Nobody should come here and tell me, say, oh, so I me interview with Sonnie Badu. My posting in my baby or me page so me tone, me promoting. Obi an friend me catch him so my interview me about Pinama cosmetics. Obi an friend me catch him so my interview me about bookie fabrics, iron butterfly bell kids playground. But me tell her my no far obi ask him so me can ya about me say obi a person interview me why? Because me person me be doku mu na me be bubu nipa ne pray. So Sonnie Badu see for me $300 bro because any penny pray. So who want this is how much people See, and Brahima, people are interested in this just because Brahima, Sonnie Badu, no, they all know say his settings. People know the things he has been doing. But why then
Obi enim so his settings. So now can
oh,
Obi enim. And then you now can was him.
Yo, Obi enim. Then Brahima, people want to say stuff, but they are waiting for Nia Obedi Kanya Beka. No, be so they think say, oh, Mzbel Abeken, then interview in Nigeria.
$300. Me sure say you scam from Sonnie Badu.
And yes, come man, no, but person I have to send any yati. That's so fucking annoying.
Nana auto.
This week he person come media chenkro for about $300. But I want my $300. Ain't no one over triameno. Make natural. Let's move on.
I saw for one penny for where they Miss Remo. Yedim, where they. So you say me.
I say we are Christian in America.
I just say yes, say.
We are Christian.
Yeah.
And me can't or some for us a man say was sorry.
Me are sorry penny. It's where they yedim. And na ye ho aka no nti.
We are more can be a Christopher.
Oh na shy.
A Christopher go dey be on mo ka buy my line.
Oh, ba ko pay na.
Oh, ba ko pay.
300.
Me, I have had issues with about 3-4 pastors. 3-4 pastors.
Fetch yes, sir.
Brian, my kind of number of years, I have been patient.
Say how many years?
Almost 8 years.
8 years.
Almost 8 years.
Since that time, not dollar near a year.
I don't care about
not dollar near.
Brian, I don't.
Ebusia eno no or say what then the car $300 until so I didn't see kabe man any or betting na some sounds or beck kind of once and pound fan spend the cry. No buso or kasana no me say they he cry any time say wow they make won't be so bitia. $300 ni said and yes kebi ama wa won't mean to you. But what sorry I know we me he any was wo chat or diskebu wa and any will trap picture no their trends or yeah na journey.
Share the amateur wa. They read their no pe.
Still waiting for my $300.
Okay.
Me fan to us with the account.
Dabi.
Me who there? Hey. Na how the okoye dey?
Brian,
me who the all this source no? Me beti me aka na.
Brian man pacho menka.
Still waiting for my $300.
Me dey tria bit ade na man no.
Hey.
Brian. Okay, so anyway. Moving on.
Yo,
I'm a very nice person. I'm a very good person. Uni me Adam for Brian. Uni obi Adam for. Because me tini pass before me move phone. Now I have been patient enough. So me ya say me bu be food to the point where I have to come out and speak. Me penasa. But why no be person obu kwasia. You can't make me do shit with my money for you and then you don't want to pay. Like it doesn't look good.
I saw for your better na yakeka.
Na dey hin so e wuti no asend news ka picture no dey chiro. We bondo pounds kakra, euros kakra, dollars kakra, we kakra si di kakra sirok si ha, laptop si ha, ni nine da ha, we try the picture.
No, they are saying no.
Aye, give me my $300. That's what will be, but which Sonnie Badu sky and Gianna. But then tell me, so what do you we
but they also be also who are for a book a crowd so the Bebu ministry.
And yes, me the Bow ministry now, which means me so assemble to me. I supposed to show up like me, mammy, me yes, oba. Because mama $300, you're supposed to show up at my.
It means it's how we did before papa, your papa.
Oh, da. Ewo na makai say
Ebusia Mzbel no any all kasaru to musa asem ni ye na hi pa awaye na adwen se obeji ni sika na na Ghana fo na ka say Sonnie Badu e de be na ma Mzbel kotoma wa enti won pese wo de ne $300 e be mani because 8 years sister you can say was see asem no 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 solid years eni pa ne se wa dan wo kasa adan na wa twan ama na bedu sese me ama na de na no aba be kana ete say sisi ayako penti sister ise wonye eno so wo kasa no se na nka won pese e beba bedwom but wa dan wo ka wunchia enti no Ghana for ni say e was say odi ni sika ne ma no se de be asumdue e be pa me de many areas em nechi any update be fe oba me de beba be sum because aka we so be follow your Facebook as let's talk ghtrends and TikTok so as let's talk ghtrends na share video we ama foforo enya bia hye na wa like e so e de mami be din e de na na kwa santo makram